A short review on Binance by Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. Binance is widely popular trading platform where you can simply manage to buy or sell Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency from a mobile anytime, anywhere. You can download the application on Windows, on Linux, on Android or iPhone. Now this is the interface. As you can see, this is quite genuine. I have already personally used the Binance for trading stock or anything like that. So this is quite good platform. You can surely 110% you can use this website. There are a lot of features you're going to get in this website, about 8 on the main page itself. And just imagine that how many features you will get when you will have or you will attach your bank account or you will start trading with this application. So yes, there is a lot of features. That is a plus point. Second thing, 24 into 7 customer care service. Third thing, buy crypto markets, trade, pictures, earn, Square, and more. You can get all the payment, request, Binance Wallet, CNB chain, charity, and other options available. So yes, you can definitely start it. Thank you so much for watching the video.